Okay, another guest coming in. Ayan, sige. So, good evening, everyone. Again, so yung topic po natin tonight is yung product storyboard animation. Okay, so I guess everyone can still remember no, during our previous sessions, we created yung talking character plus the product animation. Yung iba ang sinama ko doon is product mock-up and animation. Yan, meron pa akong sinama before na image compositing. I'm not sure if anyone has attended. Kung meron pong nag-attend na nandito ngayon sa session ko ngayon is, yeah, you will learn about the product storyboard. So, just a bit of a context po, no? When you say product animation, it's basically yung product na inanimate natin, no? If you remember yung sapatos or yung perfume, we put that product in the middle and then we set an animation. So umiikot siya or bumabagsak from the top, no? I mean from above going to the surface, yan. Tapos may mga effects, may mga aura effects and so on. Ngayon yung product mock-up naman is we set the product na nag-a-appear in a specific scene. For example, yung TV monitor on a sala, in a sala, no? And then a huge TV screen on a building. Ayan. And then yung a product na nasa mobile phone, yun po yung mock-ups na tinutukoy po natin. Okay? And then we animate that as well. So this time, ang gagawin po natin is yung product storyboard. Yan. So when we say product storyboard, we are preparing a storyboard, no? Different scenes of a product. So for example, if I have a perfume, gusto kong storyboard is first scene, picture ng perfume. And then second scene is hawak siya ng tao. And third scene is nasa office na yung tao and then may, merong interaction, parang ganun. So think of it as a complete commercial clip, no, from start to end. So when we say storyboard, it can be images and it can be a video clip, no? So ang gagawin po natin ngayon is yung storyboard animation, which is, yes, we will use a particular specific product, yung desired po ninyo, and then we will create a storyboard and then we will animate. Okay? Ayan. So, if you will notice po, no, it's somewhat related pa rin, no? It's a continuation ng product animation. Kasi this time, we are creating the scenes already. Ayan. So, ang gagawin po natin, hanap po kayo or pipili kayo ng product. Hopefully, nakita nyo po yung message ko earlier, no? Na, yes, ma'am, this is recorded. Hopefully nakita niyo po yung message ko na you have to prepare your own product. Okay? So sige, let's start. Sige po, kunin na po natin yung product natin. Yan. So for myself, nasan siya? Hold on. Okay. I think na-delete ko yung product ko. Anyway, sige. Dun sa mga wala pa pong product, no? Sabayan po na, okay. Sabayan niyo po ako, okay? O you can create your own product. Like, punta kayo sa ChatGPT. Yan, punta kayo sa ChatGPT. Then, simplihan nyo lang na make me a solo image of a blue perfume with a label. Ganyan. Ganyan lang po, ano? I mean, you can follow this step if you don't have a product ready with you. Okay? So, make sure lang po na set this to portrait FB real size. Yan. Kasi again po, ang gagawin po nating output is yung mobile device friendly. Yan. So, pwede nyo pong gamitin ito. I-enter ko yan. Then I will type this in the chat para po doon sa gustong gamitin, no, itong example na ito. Okay? Ayan. But basically, I have here, nasa Facebook ko nga po pala. Sorry. kinreate ko na ahead to para hindi naman po ako choppy, no? Because, yeah, it's quite loading in my end. Ayan. Ito yung gusto kong gamitin. Yung kape. Okay? Ayan. For example, no, nung tinype ko yung prompt na ito po yung lumabas na product. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, if you have your product naman, no, with you, a picture of anything, any product that you own na gusto nyo pag-practicean, ayan. So, punta kayo sa new chat. Alright? And then paste nyo yung product. For example, ito, no, kape. Nescafe. But be mindful lang po, no, early reminder lang na kapag magpo-practice po kayo ng any product na lalo na may branding, please be very careful when you plan to post it in social media po, no? Baka kasi patulan kayo ng author or creator ng mismong product. Yan. So, yeah. I think you're aware of what I'm saying, I'm trying to say. Okay? Yeah, sige. So, paste po nyo yan sa ChatGPT. Okay? Or even yung Gemini kung saan po kayo mas sanay. And then, i-prompt lang po natin, no? Siyempre, ito is very raw, very basic shot ng Nescafe kape. Yeah, so sa akin, ang gagawin ko po is please transform this image into sabayan niyo po ako, no? You can follow me na. Transform this image into a commercial product photo. Okay? In portrait FB real size. Okay? So, lalagyan lang po natin ng kaunting description based on our imagination. So, ulitin lang po natin yung activity natin before, no? Na for me, no, ang gusto ko mangyari is the Nescafe coffee is in the middle of screen and no, sorry. There is a white mug in the center with the hot coffee. Yeah. Okay. Beside it is the Nescafe sachet. Ganyan. Right? And then, on the other side is the pure black coffee beans. Okay? So, lagyan nyo lang po ng kaunting description, no? Yung gusto nyo maging pinaka-main product view. Alright? So, ulitin ko lang po, no? We are creating yung main product view po natin. Ang purpose po niyan is that will become the very first image na mag-a-appear doon sa animation ng storyboard later on. Okay? Yan. And then, these are on a wooden table and the background is cozy garden. Okay? Yeah. So this time hindi na po natin let's make it simple. I mean, we don't need to do prompt direction. So remember po yung prompt direction natin na we are getting yung the exact detailed prompts. This time hindi na po muna natin gawin to save time and as well para po hindi na po kayo masyadong hindi na masyadong sumakit po yung ulo nyo, no? Ayan, sige. So, enter nyo lang po yan and then you will see, no, si ChatGPT or the Gemini or any tool na ginagamit nyo, it will create the image for you. Okay? Ayan. What's more important po tonight, no, in our duration of the session, 30 minutes, but it's flexible, Yeah, what's more important is you will be able to create the storyboard yourself. Ayan. Alright, so while it's processing, ang kagandahan po nito, why if you learn about creating the storyboard is if you connect it to the talking character na ginawa ninyo plus the animation, mas magiging maganda, mas magiging ano po ano, impactful, no? There's a mini story behind it. Okay? It will be more catchy and interesting for the viewers. Kaysa sa nakita po niyo, no, ang ganda po nung image ko for the coffee. Ayan. So I will share this in the chat window. Okay? You may want to follow then. Kaya lang yung image hindi nyo po makakopy, no? Yan. If you want to copy the image, well, there's a way. Okay, sige, kunin nyo po ito, gamitan nyo po ng snipping tool. Ayan, so you can see here a snipping tool. Okay, ulitin ko po, no? So you can access it sa computer nyo, snipping tool. Ayan, and then in new nyo po yan, i-click nyo yung new. And then, snip nyo na po ito. Ayan. Yung pinapakita ko po ngayon sa screen. That way, mapipaste nyo po yan dyan sa prompt window ng ChatGPT. Yan, lakihan ko pong kaunti ngayon, ano? Para ma-snip nyo. Yan. Sige po. Kung gusto nyo i-try yung kape. Okay. Okay. Yan. Oh, and what I can do pala is, alright, yeah, I'm in I'm managing different groups. Snip nyo na lang po. Plano ko po sanang isend. Yeah, pero snip nyo na lang yung kape. Kung gusto nyo pong gamitin, no? Okay? Okay, so let's move on. Yeah, so same pa rin, no? If you think I'm going too fast or if my clarification, please feel free to interrupt. No, unmute your mic. All right. Wait. Yan. So, save po natin ito. Download natin to our computer. Yan. All right. So, next, na gagawin po natin is, again, no, we stay in the same window conversation. That is to maintain the momentum and that is to maintain the context and yung interpretation ng AI dun sa product na ginagawa natin. So, ang gusto kong gawin ngayon is to create the storyboard. Yung storyboard, basically, you can create it anywhere. You can even create it in Google Flow. No, by the way, Google Flow yung gagamitin natin for animation. Ayan, sige po, no, if meron pong hindi po sanay sa Google Flow here, it's okay. No, susundan niyo po ako later. But what I'm trying to say is even by the use of Google Flow, you can create the storyboard straight, no, dito sa platform. But I don't want to confuse you right now. And what I'm trying to show you is yung effective way or efficient way to utilize yung free AI tools. No, we create everything here, and then we animate here in the Google Flow. No, that's to efficiently use the credits. Sige po. So ang gagawin po natin ngayon is we will proceed with creating the storyboard here sa the same conversation window. Alright, so to create the storyboard, ganito lang naman po, ano? There are two ways. Alright, there are two ways. Let me explain the first. So yung first is, of course, you will tell ChatGPT your intent. So please make me a storyboard of this product. Ganyan, ano? Alright. So, kailangan yung i-specify kung ilang scenes. Okay? So, sa akin, ang ginagawa ko is make me of this product, storyboard of this product with 4 scenes. Okay? Meaning, 4 yung magiging images. And yung 4 na images na yun, it must include ito pong first na ginawa nyo. no? Sa isang movie clip, sa isang short clip, it's very important na makikita nyo right away as a viewer kung ano yung product, then followed by the story. Okay, the storyboard. Yeah, so that's why yung basic na ginagawa po natin is 4 scenes. It can be 6 scenes, it can be more than 6, no? But as a free AI tools users, no, we are only limited using Google Flow. We are limited to 10 seconds, no? So um, baka pwedeng gusto nating gamitin is 4 scenes lang para magkasya, no? Para enough na mahati yung 4 na scenes into 10 seconds. You can try 6 seconds, but yeah, baka din yung magustuhan yung mabilis na transition. Okay? Yeah, so let's start muna with basic, which is 4 scenes, no? So there's two ways. Sabi ko po kanina, there are two ways. First is intentional, yung scenes. Meaning, you can describe the scenes yourself here. No? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan. Or, in your first way, the other way is make it simple. No? Um, just let the AI decide kung ano yung gusto nyong scene, ay kung ano yung mangyayaring scenes. Okay? It can happen. No? You may try now or you may want to try yung may intent. Okay? If sa tingin nyo gusto nyong si ChatGPT yung mag-provide ng scene sa inyo, it's okay, but what I will recommend is for you to set yung camera angle. Yan. Okay, kasi po, if walang camera angle na instruction, yan, most of the time, in my experience po, no, ang ginagawa niya is pare-parehong camera angle. So when we say camera angle, yung front facing, no? Ayaw naman po natin na pare-parehong front facing, walang ka-style-style. So we want, for example, yung 4 na images, yung second image, we want na camera angle is low angle 45 degrees. For example, ganyan, no? Yan. Yung third is camera angle is high angle. Ayan. So, meaning yung camera is nasa taas habang yung tao umiinom ng kape. No? Yung pangalawa is yung camera nasa ibaba habang medyo nakatagilid ng konti, 45 degrees, habang yung tao is umiinom ng kape. Ganun. Okay? So, lastly is camera angle is front facing. Na umiinom ng kape. No? And then yung first scene, for me, is the original image. Okay? Alright. Yung original image is ito po yun. Ayan. So, bakit po natin ginagawa ito? Later on kasi, kapag inanimate na po natin siya, the AI will interpret, no, yung gusto nyong scene na buo is mag-start from here and then followed by the second, third, and fourth. Okay po. Ayan, mag-admit lang po ako ng hold on. Nawala. Nawala siya. Okay. Ayan. Sige. So, hindi pa po tapos ito, no? I'm just highlighting, no? It's very important in terms of storyboard yung may camera angle. Ayan. Sige po. Ang gagawin natin is tutuloy natin itong second scene. Okay? So, kunyari, gusto nyo intentional, no? Yung scenes. So, ulitin ko. Product with 4 scenes starts with the original image. Pangalawa, now, ito na. No, iniisip ko na yung scene. Filipino farmer sipping a coffee. Okay? And then maybe yung pangatlo, a female, no, a business woman and sipping a coffee before working. All right, and then camera angle, a college student, maybe. Yeah, in uniform, stirring the coffee, the black coffee. Okay? So papansin po niyo 'no, minsan may mga sinisingit-singit ako that comes from my mind po 'no, from my imagination. Kasi I really wanted to be very specific 'no. For example, a student in uniform, ta's nag-i-stir siya ng kape. Yung businesswoman, ayan po 'no, sipping a coffee before working. So siguro lagyan ko ang in, office attire, sipping a coffee. Alright, and then, yeah, ito po yung scenes, storyboard na gusto kong mangyari. Meron lang po diyan idadagdag, may mga chances po 'no, na while you do this, may mga sumasamang image from the original. Okay? So, you may want to make sure na hindi sila sumama. For example, itong coffee bean or even yung sachet, I don't think I need this. I just need this to show in the first scene, ito. No, and then the rest, yung the scenes, hindi ko na kailangan itong mga ito. Kasi ayoko naman maglagay ng bukas, no, na ginupit na sachet or ayoko naman na nakakalat na coffee bean. Yan. So, lagay nyo lang, um, do not include the Nescafe sachet in scenes 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the black coffee beans. Yan. Yes, I'm just using this as an example po no. But please adjust it accordingly dun sa product po ninyo. So again, ita-type ko po ito sa chat. Yeah, so you can copy this over and adjust kung kailangan po no. Kung ibang product po yung ginagamit nila. All right. I pause from here. Everyone doing good? Thumbs up please. Thumbs up. Okay. Ayan. Before you hit enter, before you create the image, reiterate lang po natin ulit, reinforce, no? Portrait FB real size. Sorry, hindi ko na naisama sa chat. Pero please type nyo na lang po, no? Para sigurado. Hold on. Okay, so once you're good, once you're happy with your description, yan, sige, enter nyo na. And you will see yung portrait FB real size na image na hati sa 4. Okay. Ayan. Tapos yung description po natin na Filipino at the very start, it applies naman doon sa third and fourth. No, the AI is intelligent to really read your intention. Okay. Anyone using Gemini for this creation? Okay lang po ha. Yeah, it's just that I'm really used to doing this in ChatGPT. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. So, tingnan niyo po, no? Low angle, tapos high angle, and then front facing, yung estudyante. Ayan. But, if you can see, may mga text po na sumama, no? And I don't need this because later on sa animation, posible, no? Posible na sumama ito. So, gawin lang po natin, kapag may nakita po kayong ganyan, as long as you're within the conversation window, yeah, instruct the AI, remove the text in the storyboard. keep everything as is. Ayan. Tanggalin lang po natin. Kasi hindi po natin kailangan yan. Yeah, so sige, while we are waiting here, explain ko lang po, no? So later, when we animate this, these people are not talking, no? So basically, you can decide if you want to add a talking character, you know how to do it. No, I mean, you attended the session, so you know how to add a talking character. All right, and then if actually, even without the talking character, it will still work. Now you can add a voiceover. So you can use yung 11 Loves for the voiceover. So meaning, yung animation na gagawin natin later, it's still a raw video. So gagawan natin ng method ng production, meaning ilalagay natin yung animated video nito, and then ipapatong po nyo yung voiceover, then you can now have yung commercial po ninyo, no? So that's that's how you connect everything dun sa mga previous na ginawa po natin. Okay? Yan. So nawala na po yung mga text. Ayan, ang ganda. Hopefully, you get good results with you. If not so good, it's okay. Please accept for now because we have limited time po. Yan. Sige po. So once you're okay, once you're done, i-download po natin ito. All right. Don't forget to download the first one din po. Ito. Yan. Okay. Everything is done. Yung images ko. Next is Google Flow. Thumbs up, please, if you followed already. Thumbs up, everyone. Thumbs up.
Paano pumunta sa Google Flow?
Okay. Type nyo lang, sir. Ano po? Hold on. Flow. Google. Ito po. Type po sa chat window.
Sorry, ano yan? Ano yung dapat i-type sa window? Google Flow?
Flow.google, sir. Opo. Or punta kayo sa chat window, sir. Opo, click nyo na lang po yung nilagay ko po na, na link.
Ang daming choices kasi. Flow.google dapat yung pupuntahan. Yung AI Creative Studio for Video, yung ba yun?
Opo. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Kasi nakalagin na po ako. Yeah. Oho. Okay. And so everyone, please log into your Google Flow. Then, gagawa na po tayo ng animated storyboard po natin. Okay, there's a message. Hold on. Hindi nag-generate ng coffee sa cup and beans. Okay. Hindi nag-generate ng coffee sa cup. Meaning, Ma'am Rebecca, meaning ano po, wala po kayong mug na white na kape in the middle?
Yes po, sir. Sa storyboard po, wala.
Sa storyboard na po. Okay, ano pong itsura nila, ma'am? I meaning, yung mga tao is walang hawak na kape?
May mga tao naman, ang mga tao po may hawak ng kape, and yung sa first image lang po, stick lang yung generate na. Coffee stick lang ang na-generate.
Yung sa shape po?
Sa first image lang po. Ang problema.
Okay lang, ma'am. Sige po, as long as you have the product in the first image, should be okay.
Hello, guys.
Mhm.
Okay po.
Sir Robert, ito po, yung pinapakita ko sa screen, sir.
Okay. Yan na, tama. Yan yung top
Okay,
page
sir.
siya. Oo.
Sige po. Ayan. Sige po. So, everyone is ready. Sabay-sabay na po natin gawin, ano? Sige po. So, once you're in Google Flow, yan, makakakita po kayo ng new project. Here. Click nyo po yan. Hold on. Sorry. Let me check my credits. Alright. So, by the way, Google Flow po will give you 50 credits daily. Okay? Hindi po yan nag-accumulate. So, it will just give you 50 credits tonight. And then tomorrow, it will give you another 50 credits. Not another. It will reset to another 50 credits. So, for example, nagamit nyo is 20 lang tonight or 40, then yung natira yung 10, wala na po yun. Kinabukasan, it will reset to 50. Okay? Yan, sige, gawa po tayo. Balik tayo dun sa new project.
Kuya,
Yan,
question.
click po yan. New project.
Kuya,
Ma'am.
question lang po.
Yes, ma'am.
Paano po matanggal po yung mga, yung
Opo.
sa picture po dun sa ChatGPT na may scenes po?
Okay, ito ma'am. I-type niyo po ito.
Alam po.
Yung remove the text. At lagay ko po sa chat window. Ayan, copy nyo ma'am. Tapos, i-instruct nyo lang po si ChatGPT. Na remove the text in the storyboard, then keep everything as is.
Thank you po.
Sige ma'am. Okay. By the way, ganito po I understand na you are following me. This is for everyone po na you for example this one you copy this. But in the future kapag nasanay na po kayo ng gusto, you can use other words pa rin naman I mean you can do it your way as long as the instruction is similar. Okay? All right. Sige. So, let's go back po muna dun sa Google Flow. So, pag kinlik nyo po yung create project, so basically, wala pong laman yan. Yan. So, meron pong tatlong areas yan, all media. So, all media, later on in the future, you will see videos or images here. Characters, ito po, hindi po muna natin pag-usapan. Basically, you can create characters here. But we will not do it now, Maybe next session na po ito. Yan. And then scenes, ito po yung mga scenes, yung mga clips na pwede nyo pagtagpitikpiin. But then again, hindi po natin ito focusan for now, So what we can do for now, what we will do rather for now, is we will animate yung storyboard po natin. So I want everyone to look at your bottom part ng screen, which is ito po. This is a bubble, I call this a bubble kasi po mukha po siyang talking bubble. Ayan, so mga comics ganyan po itsura, Yeah, so please get used to my terms, to my wordings po. Ito po yung bubble, alright? So yung prompt bubble, meron po yung on the right side, ito video
Survey static.
and okay. I think, Ma'am Charis, please mute po. Ayan, okay. Ayan, sige. So, I will continue po, So, may makikita po kayong video 10 seconds. Kung hindi man, baka makita po nyo is yung Nano Banana Pro. Okay? So, click nyo po yan. It's a button, actually. Click nyo yan and make sure na sa video po kayo. Okay. Ayan. So, when you click the video, magkakaroon ng corresponding options yan, frames and ingredients. So, click nyo lang po yung ingredients. Okay? And then, make sure na sa 9:16 po kayo. Okay. Now, this time, sir?
Parang
Opo.
hindi ko nakikita yung sinasabi mong video sa ilalim, sa loob ng bubble sa akin.
Oho.
Ang nakalagay dito sa pinakagilid is yung untitled session. Show me the keyboard shortcuts, rename my asset, build a visual mood board. What do you want to create?
Okay. Hold on, sir. Baka po naka-agent po yan, sir. Ito. Tama po ba?
Hindi. Nilaktawan ko nga yung step na yun eh.
Sir, can you show your screen, sir? Baka po may ibang similar case.
Hold on. Yan, no?
Okay, can you close, sir? Click niyo po yung X.
Sa yung yung Google Doc.
No, sir. Yung untitled session, pa-click po nung X sa gilid.
Untitled session.
Yan po. Okay. Yan, sir. So, naka-agent po sila. Sige, sir. I-click niyo lang po muna yung agent, sir. Para ma-disable. Naka-activate po siya. Okay? And then, click niyo po yung Nano Banana 2. Ayan. Tapos punta po kayo sa video. Sa video, sir. Click niyo po yung video. Ayan. Okay. Yeah. You're on it, sir. Okay? Sige
Alright.
po.
Thank you.
Opo. Ayan. Yeah, so going back to my screen, and po, no, click niyo po yung video. Make it ingredients. And then 9:16. So this time, make sure po na naka-Omni Flash po kayo, no? Yan, Omni Flash. Alright. And then set po natin to 10 seconds. Yung Omni Flash. Okay. And then, yeah, times 1. By the way, ito po is yung quantity. So, times 1 lang po. Yan. Hold on po, no? Hold on. Yung call po is mag-end in 15 minutes. Wait po, no? Magsisend ako ng panibagong link. Ano po ba? Okay, hold on. Nagkamali po ako dito eh. Okay, ganito na lang po. Ganito na lang. Yeah, nag-e-end in 1 hour na po, ano? Okay. 9:40. I will set it 9:45. Jump na po tayo dito siguro. Wait.
Kuya, paano po pag 15 credits lang po yung nandito?
Ma'am, hold on po ha. Saglit. Okay. Saglit po ha. See. And everyone, please copy the link. Yan po, no? Mag-end na po kasi in 13 minutes. Maantala po tayo. Yan, pasensya na. Yan. Please copy ito pong link. And then, jump po kayo dyan. No? Lipat na po tayo. Oo. Lipat na po tayo dito. I will try po ha. Wala ako. Saglit. Sige po, lipat po tayo. Lipat na po tayo dito, ha? Hintayin ko po kayo dito sa panibagong link. Alright. Everyone. Alright. May nagja-join. Sir Edgar? Hello? Sir Edgar? Please jump to this new link.
Yes po.
Opo. Sir, nag-send po ako ng panibagong link kasi po mag-e-end po yung call. Nagkamali po ako ng setup. Meron pa akong...
Kaunta pa lang ba siya? Kaunta pa lang?
No sir. Nasa gitna, nasa bandang lagpas gitna na po. Pero it's okay. I recorded this and you can still listen in naman, Sir Edgar, no? And
Opo.
if you want to continue, niligay ko po yung link sa chat window. Please transfer na po, no?
Opo.
Hintayin ko po kayo doon. Sinet ko
Opo.
po ito as open, so wala na pong... okay lang, sir. Opo. Palipat na lang po. Everyone, please transfer. Please transfer. Okay, I will meet you there, no? Thank you. Hello. Hi, everyone. Sorry. Yeah, so you can hear me po, no? Sige. Let me share my screen again. Okay. Ayan, sige. Okay, where am I? Sige, alright. So, balik po tayo. May question po si Ma'am... sino po ulit yun? Si Ma'am... Ma'am Charis. Kayo po ba yun? Tama po ba? Sorry.
Yes po.
Ano po yung question?
At kuya, makakapag-generate din po ba ako kahit 15 credits lang po?
Sa Google Flow, ma'am?
Opo.
Yes, because 15 credits po yung generation. It's okay. Kaya po yan. Opo. Magsi-zero lang po kapag nagamit nyo na. Magpupula yan dito. Baka po magulat po kayo.
Okay po.
Okay, sige po. Sige, thank you, ma'am, no? Okay, everyone. So let's proceed po, no? Again, video, ingredients, then 9x16, OmniFlash. Insagad na po natin, 10 seconds. For 4 seconds, mababa, pero this is free, so isagad na po natin, 10 seconds. And then times 1. Kung gusto niyo po ng pangalawang output, times 2. Pero times 1 niyo po muna, ano? Yan, okay. So ang gagawin po natin dyan is, so andito po tayo sa bubble, click niyo po yung plus, wag po yung agent, ha? Click niyo po yung plus. Alright, and then from here, you can upload na yung media. And click nyo po itong upload media. And then, puntahan nyo po yung storyboard. Okay? Click nyo po yung storyboard. And then, open. Ayan po, no? So, mag-uploading po yan. Then, after ma-upload, then we can select it already. You click yung add to prompt. No? So, kapag in-add to prompt nyo po, ayan, madadagdag po siya dito. Inside the bubble. Alright. Okay. Wait lang po, ha. Yes po, ma'am. This is recorded. Okay? Alright. So, ang gagawin po natin, ano po ang next? Kung meron pong nakakaalala.
Sir, saan po yung add to
Yes,
prompt?
ma'am.
Kasi lumabas na yung image, hindi na-download. Hindi ko lang mahanap yung may add to prompt. May
ito
plus.
po.
Yung plus sign.
Ayaw po, ma'am. Click niyo po yung plus sign. Tapos pag nag-upload na po kayo ng media, yan, i-add to prompt niyo lang po.
Okay na, sir. Okay po.
Okay. Ayan. So, remember po, no, everyone, kailangan natin ng prompt. No? Well, basically, we can instruct the Google Flow na i-animate mo ito. But, this time, we want to be very specific na rin. I mean, we want to be very accurate. So, ang gagawin po natin is, kung maalala po nila, yung prompt direction, no, na naaral po natin during the talking character session, yun din po yung gagawin natin. So, babalik po tayo kay ChatGPT. Okay. And through progressive prompting, no, i-continue po natin yung momentum. We will instruct ChatGPT now to give me the detailed animation prompt for this product storyboard using Google Flow OmniFlash. Okay, ito po yung pinaka-importante at pinaka-highlight na instruction. Now, we want animation prompt para sa storyboard na ito and ano yung tool, no? Google Flow OmniFlash. Kasi po, maraming tools na pwede natin gamitin. So, it's important to be very specific. Okay, next. Next po natin is magbigay po tayo ng bigay po tayo ng konting context, no? So the duration of the video is 10 seconds. So make sure that the spacing is divided equally. Ang gusto natin within 10 seconds is tama po yung transition. Baka naman po mangyari is isang pikit lang, no, ng mata yung makikita dun sa video. So that's why it's important as well na aware po kayo nung duration ng output video para aware kayo kung gaano kabilis no mag-appear yung per scene. So imagine you have 8 scenes and then you have 10 seconds. I don't know how it will look like. No? So mas better na you have fewer images and then fewer better representation ng images, nung animations. Okay? Ayan, sige. So ikakopy ko po ito. Hold on, bago po natin i-paste sa prompt, no? So again, give me a little prompt. The duration of the video is 10 seconds. So make sure the pacing is divided equally. Ayan, and then make the scenes cinematic. Okay? Ayan, copy po natin. And then, hold on. Asan yung chat window? Okay, type ko po ito, no? Chat window. Try nyo, no? Let's see what the AI will provide you. Okay, so sa akin, pag in-enter ko to, Ayan, so binigyan niya po ako ng prompt, which is by scene. Ayan, kita nyo, no? 2.5 seconds each. Okay. Scene 4. Ayan. So again, no, as part of the lesson previously, you will review everything, no? Basahin nyo para aware kayo kung ano yung interpretation ng AI, kung tama ba sa panlasa nila. Kung hindi man, you can change something here. Just provide instruction. But for now, mahaba-haba yan, hindi po natin gagawin. No? So ang gagawin po natin is, we will copy the prompt starting from the style in case dito po kayo mag-start, no? Ay, dito nag-start yung AI nyo. Yan. Copy nyo yan. Copy over natin lahat. Okay. And then, balik na po tayo kay Google Flow. Alright. So, check the first and last word for scenes style. Balik kayo kay ChatGPT for scenes style. That is to make sure na nakopy nyo lang lahat, no? Pwede po kasi tayong magkamali. Ay, sorry, this one. Yan. So, avoid errors. We are using free tools, so might as well make sure na everything is complete. Okay. So, once you have the prompt with you, paste nyo lang dito, and then hingang malalim, and then saka po natin i-hit yung enter. Yan. Ayan. So, it might take some time po, ano? Maybe 2 minutes or depende rin sa internet connection din po natin. So, while this is processing, maybe what you want to do is okay, to prepare po yung voice over po natin. Okay? So, you can use 11 Loves for the voice over. Yan. So, ang ibig ko po sabihin is later on sa Canva, pagpatungin po nyo yung video and the voice over, then you have a stunning commercial-like product animation. Okay, so I think everyone is aware naman, no, dito sa 11 Loves kung paano gamitin. If time permits, let's try. But of course, let's go back first. Ayan po. Okay, wait. Ayan. So, everyone, okay na po yung video ko. Mukhang may problema yung video ko. Okay, again. Sinama niya yung ano. Yeah, but it's okay, no? Tulad po ng sinabi ko, may mga chances na posibleng hindi perfect yung magagawa nila. I will accept this for now, ha? Ayan, sige, download po natin. Sa Google Flow, when you play it right away dun sa timeline nila, dun sa platform itself, posibleng naglalag yung makikita nyo. So, download nyo yan and then watch it from here. Yeah, for example, this one. Okay. Maganda naman po siya actually. Ang naging concern lang is nagkaroon po no nitong dalawang frame. Ayan, just in case may ganyan po mangyari, you can instruct naman, no? You can re-instruct ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT what happened. No? For example, ganito. My output includes a scene with 3 subdivisions. Please adjust the prompt to make sure it will be avoided. Ayan. Ganyan lang naman. Okay? And then makikita nyo, ayan, i-explain pa niya yan kung, kung ano po yung nangyari. Alright? So the solution, ito yung sinabi niya. Ayan, must occupy the entire frame. Sige, ulitin ko na lang. So since binigyan niya naman niya ako ng panibagong prompt, ayan po, no? I-copy ko na. Okay. Hold on. So, may mga chances, no, kapag nag-respond si ChatGPT sa inyo, ang ibibigay niya na lang is yung kung saan niya gustong ipadagdag or kung ano yung dapat idagdag. If that's the case, kung medyo malito kayo, sabihin nyo lang, please give me the full detailed prompt again. Yan. Para ibalik niya sa inyo yung buong prompt. Okay? Okay, sige. So, try ko po ulit, no? Copy ko ulit. Hopefully sa inyo is okay yung kinalabasan para din na po kayo umulit. So, sa akin, I will retry. So, gagawin ko lang po dito, if magre-retry po kayo, click lang po ulit natin ito and then select natin yung image kanina. And then, i-paste ko yung bagong prompt. Review lang, make sure na tama pa rin yung settings. And then, enter na po natin. Yan. Alright. Ayan, sige. So, i-paste ko ulit kanina. Yung ginamit kong prompt kanina, no? I mean, yung adjustment. So, ulitin ko lang po na ito po yung problem. Type ko po sa naubos na. So, Robert, if you have another account, mabilis lang po yan. Yeah, you can create a new account. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Catherine, hold on po, no? I want to say something about it. Okay, while this is still processing, yeah, may message po si Ma'am. Okay po yung video on my end, except yung woman in office in the top view. Yeah, this happens, Ma'am Catherine, no? It's still part of the, not all the time AI will provide you 100% perfect results. Yeah, so there's really a need of level of acceptance. But if sa tingin nyo, ma'am, no, na gusto nyo is top view talaga siya, then just re-instruct kay ChatGPT. My third scene did not follow the top view requirement. Please make sure it will be strictly performed or processed, parang ganun. Okay? Ayun po. Ma'am Suzanne, yes, thank you. I'm happy that yours is good. Alright. Sige po. Hopefully, the rest po no, is also good. So, check ko lang po. Binago niya yung kape ko, but it's okay. Ayan. Buo na po, no? Buo na po yung ano. Yeah, I love it. Okay. Sige. So once you're good with this, pwede nyo na pong i-click yung download. Okay, download. Okay, may magandang question. By the way, it's 10 p.m. po, no? I said it's 30 minutes. And sorry, we are, obviously exceeding. Hope it's okay. And po, no? So, my question, when do we use Omni and when do we use VO3? Okay, ma'am, actually, the answer to that is, I will leave it to you based on your observation. In my observation, I use VO3 for framings. Okay, if I want the subject to be very accurate, I use frames. For example, talking version of myself, I use frames. I don't use OmniFlash. Ganito po, no? Yung OmniFlash, based on my observation, is it somehow adjusts yung mukha ng tao. Okay? Even yung mug. Kung papansinin niyo po, medyo iba po yung mug from the my original image. I mean, how to say? Yeah, may counting adjustment po kayo na mapapansin if you use OmniFlash. So OmniFlash is best when you don't worry about the faces too much. I mean, you are using random people to promote your product. For example, ito, no, estudyante, yung farmer. I don't bother the result. No, I mean, hindi, it's okay, no, kung ano man yung maging itsura ng farmer na sipping coffee. But if it's me, if I'm animating myself and I want to make sure na accurate yung mukha, I use Veo 3. No, yung Veo, there's this frames. May frames method po yan. You will set yung frame 1, you will set yung frame 2. So, ang gagawin mo ng Veo dyan is i-animate niya from frame 1 to frame 2 following the almost 99% accurate ng itsura po natin. No? Yeah, I hope I answered the question very well. Yeah, but yeah, lastly, I will leave it to you, ma'am, no? Kung ano po yung mas feel nyo. Okay? Ayan, any other questions before I proceed to the next ano lang po? May gusto lang akong banggitin.
Sir,
Actually, that's it, no? Yes, ma'am. Sige po.
mag-proceed po tayo sa another, sir, or mag-end na po?
Yeah, I just want to share yung production, ma'am.
Ay, sir, paano pala yung paano napunta sa ganyan? Kasi I have my video na po. Ano yung pinindot para mapunta siya?
Opo. So, click nyo lang po, ma'am, yung yung result sa gilid. Ito po,
Apo.
Click nyo po siya. Ayan.
Okay. Okay,
And
sir.
then, it should open the timeline. Opo.
Thank you,
Ayan.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you po. Pag pinlay nyo po yan sa platform mismo, may times po na naglalag po siya. Ha? Ayan. So, download nyo for you to be able to see the full quality. Yeah, so for example, ito. Ayan. So, mas seamless po yung pag-play ng video kasi it's playing in the computer itself. Okay? Yeah, so actually hanggang dun lang po yung natin. Ipakita ko lang yung animation. So that's the storyboard animation. Ipakita ko lang po sa Canva. Since we are all using Canva, dinaanan naman po natin ito. So you proceed to the production. No, I mean, you can post it as is like that, pero you can make it even better. So create kayo ng mobile video. This one, you may look na lang po, kasi we don't have much time. Yan. So, sa Canva, alright, ilagay nyo po ito, yung commercial video nyo, copy nyo yan, and then i-paste nyo siya yan. Okay. And this time, tanggalin po natin yung audio. May mga times po na yung video nyo sinasamahan ni Google Flow ng audio background music. Sa akin po kasi hindi ko ginagamit yun. Tinatanggal ko po yung volume niyan. no? I-click nyo yan, and then click nyo yung volume, tanggalin nyo po. Kasi po, pwede kayong gumamit ng audio from here, no? Sa Canva, yung free Canva account po natin. So you can search, say, acoustic country instrumental. Well, you can search music na mag-fit dun sa idea na ginagawa po nila. Okay, so sa akin is, since it's coffee, and I feel yung acoustic country yung magmamatch, yan po yung search ko. And then from here, you can select a lot of free music. Let me try. Hold on po ah. Ayan, for example po, ano? So if I play this, ayan, kagandahan din po dito is you can adjust yung yung speed, no? In every product commercial, kung papansin nyo, may mga delay po ng kaunti yan. So you can set the speed. So for example, no, I will set this 0.75. Yan. And then at the same time, you can select yung templates. Yan, yung templates, ganito, pakita ko po sa inyo, no? So when you click templates, pwede po kayong pumili ng mga example na sasama dun sa pinaka-view ng video. For example, this one. Okay? Tingnan niyo po ha. Yan. So, ang gagawin ko lang po is i-adjust ko ito to fit the entire duration of the video. Okay, and then this one I don't need. Okay, hold on po ha. Lagay ako ng blank. Yan, gawin ko lang pong blank ito. Okay. And then, lagyan ko ng fade effect ito. Sorry medyo mabibilisan ko na po. Ayan. So, tingnan niyo po yung pinaka-final output niya with the template effects. Okay. Yeah, so imagine you have a voice-over. So, ilatag niyo po doon. Sige, try tayo, no? Para, if you can stay po, no? If you can stay, it's okay. If you cannot, then it's okay. You're free to leave po, ha? Yan, so, lalagay po ako dito. Tignan niyo po ang gagawin ko, ha? So, Nescafe within 10 seconds. Sobrang iksi naman. Okay. Yan. Sige. Ito, another bonus po, no? Since everyone is here, Okay, you can use okay, may papakita po ako sa inyo. Hold on. Ma'am Rebecca, no, hindi po. Hindi po makaka-copyright 'yan. Kasi po that's the sense po no ng Canva providing the free resources to free users. Okay lang po 'yan. Yan, pupunta po ako dito. Okay? Ito po, ay, nawala. I-follow nyo na lang po ako. I-panoorin nyo na lang po muna, ha? Yan. So, sabi ko po, yung 11 Labs, you can use it to create voiceovers. Actually, dito, pwede din po yan. No? For example, mag-upload lang po ako dito ng ano. Let me upload myself na lang. Okay. Ayan po, no? So, sa character, gumawa po ako ng character. And yung character po kasi sa Flow, you can select a voice. Ayan. So, meaning, when you reuse the character, siguro ito something na we can do learning session ulit. No? Pero bibilisan ko lang po na yung character, you can select a voice. And from here, you can select different voices. Ito po yung available kay Google Flow. Okay? For example, this one.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature.
Okay? Siguro female.
Hi there.
Yan. So, kapag English po yung gagawin nyo na output, siguro maganda itong gamitin, no?
Hi there. We're introducing a new.
Yeah, hold on.
Hi there. We're introducing a new.
Okay. So, from here, I can paste yung script. Ayaw. Ba't ayaw na? Okay, wait po ha. Every great day begins. Hold on. Ayaw. So, kailangan i-type. Sige. With the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every dream, one cup at a time. Ay! Tapos na. Yan, sige. So, kung ganitong ka-exip mo, if you're good with this short script and nagtitipid kayo sa credits, you can actually preview it already. Naglo-load. Alright, again.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every dream.
Ayan. So, paano po natin makukuha yung audio? Yeah, we use OBS. Ito po yung isa sa mga option na nabanggit ko po before. Okay.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every dream.
Ayan. So, babalik po ako kay Canva. Alright. And then, mag-upload po ako nung video, which is yung kinapture ko. Okay. Po yun. Ayan. And then, i-add ko po yan dito. From here, I can now extract the audio. Alright. Okay, but medyo mahaba-haba po pala yung audio. So what I'm going to do is we can adjust this. Yung speed. 0.50. Too much? 0.60. Too low? 0.67. Alright, 0.55. Yan. Sakto. Okay, and then try ko lang po ha. Wait. Hindi yata na ano. Okay, one moment po ha. Saglit. Nagko-conflict sa setup ko po kasi. Hold on.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every dream. Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold.
Okay. Let me go back. Everyone can hear me? Tinanggal ko po yung headset ko to record. Thumbs up please. Are you still good? Okay. Balik lang po ako kay Canva ha. Sige po. Okay, and then, yeah. So again, i-upload po natin yung video. Alright. So again, ito po is another way lang kung sisipagin po kayo, ano. Medyo may few steps lang din, pero it saves credits and especially if you're good with the voice already. Okay, so ito po yung binabanggit ko. You can sige po Sir Robert, thank you. Ayan, so ito po yung binabanggit ko na another way to create voiceovers without spending credits. Ayan, so ito po sa Canva you can extract the audio. Okay? Ayan. So So I will start from here. Okay. Wait mo mukhang sobra na po yung ano ko. Yung delay ko pala. Ibalik lang po natin. Speed is 0.75. Yeah, that's 0.75. Right, and then lakasan ko lang po ng kaunti. audio. Let's try again. Try.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every drink.
Hindi po siya malinis. Okay, let's try again. Natin 200. And then this one is 50%. All right. Ulit.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every drink.
Ayan, so kita nyo, no? It's almost complete. Ang huling gagawin nyo na lang po dyan, yan, sorry, last na po ito, no? Ilagay nyo po sa pinakadulo itong product nyo. Ayan. Let it stay for 5 seconds. Maybe. 5 seconds. Okay? So, you have this. I-fade nyo. Ulit.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every drink.
Hindi ko na ayos. Sorry.
Sir,
Okay.
yung caption niyan, paulit-ulit lang, sir, ano? Pag nilagay mo,
Ano, sir?
yung caption niya, paulit-ulit lang yan, sir,
Opo.
ano?
Yes, sir. Siset nyo lang
Hilangin
po
mo
yung
lang sa,
duration.
ano yan, hanggang dulo.
Yes, pwede pong hanggang dulo. Kaya lang po, ito pong dulo kasi is a showcase na ng product. So, we may not want na may nakaharang. For example, ganyan. Ayan. So, that's why we end it here.
Hindi sa
Okay, sir?
pinakadulo. O sige.
Opo. Depende na po dun sa design po natin, no, ng video. I-play ko lang po ulit. Ayan. Sorry. Okay, play ko lang po ulit.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every drink.
Ayan. May pakita pa ako sa inyo. Last na. Kung makakapag-explore yung animation. Baka po gusto nyong itry. Okay, hold on. Ito po. Edit. Image to video. So, free po yan. Tingnan niyo po.
Saan po yan,
So,
sir?
kita nyo, no?
Canva?
Using
Yung video?
Yes po. Sa Canva po.
Okay.
I highly recommend this for ultra realistic na objects. No? For example, itong kape, yung mga ganyan. Sa tao, hindi po masyado. Okay. Yan, last na po.
Every great day begins with the rich aroma and bold taste of Nescafe Classic. Sip your way to every drink.
All right. Ayan. So, thank you everyone. I hope you learned something from tonight's session. Did I make you happy? Thumbs up naman po, please. Okay. Yeah. So, yun po yung product storyboard animation po natin, no? Everyone. Yeah, I'll think of some other session ulit by next week. But for now, okay, may question po, no? Ma'am, opo, click niyo po yung image niyo sa Canva, Ma'am Rebecca, sa Canva. And then, when you click edit, yan, lalabas po itong, alright, naka-video na po ito. Sorry. Ipakita ko lang po ulit. No? So, for example, ito po yung image. Yan. Click niyo po yan. And then, click niyo po yung edit. And then, image to video po. Ito po. Image to video. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, if you want to learn something more, meron po akong isang session, no, about this one. Kung sino lang po yung may gusto. Yeah, so this is another 3 hours po natin, ano, session. Image generation and manipulation workshop. Normally, sinishare ko lang po ito after the Saturday session. Kasi po, no, ayoko pong overwhelm po kayo ng mga methods, ng mga styles. Okay, so since you're done with the Saturday and you learned something from tonight, maybe if like po nila, no, if like lang po naman po nila, you can attend the Friday session. This is every Friday, 8 to 10 p.m. po. Okay, so it's really more about image. In the end of the session, pwede po tayo mag-animate, no, if time permits, which it always happen, times permits. Okay, but yung most of the time po, gagawin po natin is image generation. And this time, we will use yung own photo ninyo. If you remember, previously, may mga nagtatanong if we can use yung sarili nyong image sa talking character. I don't allow it. Well, I allow it, but I don't recommend it. Kasi nga po, may mga transformation procedure po tayong ginagawa. No, hindi siya ganun kadali. Okay? So, yeah, ito po yung image generation and manipulation. But again, this is beginner-friendly designed naman po, no? Para makasunod po lahat. Okay? Yeah, so once again, thank you to everyone. Thanks for staying for more than 1 hour. Yeah, I appreciate you. And let's keep communicating in the group. Magandang gabi. Have a restful evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Salamat po.